Welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers the industry-leading 3-year warranty because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. The Liebherr unit shown here is a very old type of DC drive. In order to align and fully test the drive, we used an inverter drive to ramp the generator up to full speed. The voltmeter on the right is the armature output. On the left is the field voltage. The armature meter shows the output with a residual magnetism in the field of 4.7 volts. We then power up the controller, and the voltage should and does remain the same. Then we enable the controller in the up mode, and the field voltage as shown goes to negative 10 volts, and the armature voltage is negative 30 volts. This is the minimum speed up. Then we input the control input for maximum speed up, and the field goes to negative 130 volts, and the armature is negative 415 volts. The controller is then commanded back to the minimum speed, and the armature goes back to negative 30 volts. It is now tested in the down mode. With the minimum speed down, the field is 10 volts, and the armature is 30 volts. The unit is commanded to maximum speed down, and the field goes to 130 volts, and the armature is 420 volts. The unit is then told to go through minimum speed down, and the armature voltage returns back to 30 volts. The unit is then cycled through the up test again, as shown here, and the down test before being turned off. Testing of this unit requires multiple adjustments on our custom test fixture on both the up mode and the down mode to ensure proper operation. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more videos.